I just so fat, call me Orbit. Orbit. Gotta wait to make no moves. I be loaded. They would be famous if I make a move on you. Loaded.
Sup guys?
That's my brother. He said I can play with it.
Sup guys? We're back with another video. I'm back with another video. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. And make sure you like this video. Today is going to be a freaking slime video.
Yep.
Yeah,
just made slime before this video so we can show y'all how it came out. So look at this.
And go get my slime.
Look at this. Alright.
Yeah, I'm going to play with the slime for him.
We only made it out of game and glue.
Really?
And shaving cream.
For real, y'all.
Shaving cream, game, and freaking glue.
Do you believe that, guys? Comment down below if you guys think that if you guys thought that game was gonna work. I really didn't think it though. I really didn't think it was gonna work. I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna go get my glue, my slime. Oh, he got it for me, guys. I said glue. Why did I say that?
Hers is more fluffy.
Yeah, mine's more fluffy
She
than
put more
mine.
shaving cream. And
So-
she uses less game. But hers is less stretchy. Sorry. Sorry. So just
Yeah, that's why we're gonna make another one, guys.
this making for my suggestion. Use not a lot of game, but
I didn't use a lot of game. That's probably why.
then you got it. But shaving cream don't use a lot because that makes
You hear that sound, guys?
It makes it split.
I love it.
All right, so we're just gonna get started. I'm gonna fix the camera. Okay,
Sorry, guys.
it's mine. Make sure you get all the water out, cause you don't, cause then your slime gonna be like different.
Watery and stuff.
Alright, you ready? You ready?
Wait, I gotta get my shirt.
I'm bored of slime. The slime is like right here, so we can share right here. Perfect.
So guys, the glue is right here. So we're gonna have to share half the bottle.
Oh yeah, y'all should go subscribe to my channel, Britt and Bilford Family, and go watch our videos. We have a slime video. We have another 2-gallon slime video coming. So it's gonna be on her channel too, but it's gonna be live. Okay, let's just finish.
We're just gonna have to use a little bit of sugar.
Yeah, not a little bit, but like not a lot. We're just gonna wait for this to come out, because I think you use too much.
Yeah, I got a little bit too much. But anyway, you have shaving cream, so.
Yeah, I don't want to make none. So let me see how. This, if y'all want to get all of it out, put the top back on.
And close it up and just like let it sit down.
No, just like squeeze, because then it's going to drip down to that little hole and you can get it all out.
So yeah, I'm gonna put my shaving cream in while he's doing that, guys. And we had to get away from all that noise. Because we want my first video to be perfect. One of my first video, because my intro was like technically the first video. And
It was just showing y'all her, like, how she is and
like what I'm about, like pictures of me and like go watch it. Just go watch it, guys. Just go watch it. 1, 2.
you can.
If you wanted to, these special, these rag bottom, these bloody shoes. These are bloody shoes, girl.
Yeah, you said it wrong.
Ooh, guys. I can mix the slime together.
What color? Do y'all get a shaving cream?
You mean full color?
Yeah.
Full color is downstairs.
Go ahead. I don't want no food.
I don't want a full color. I just like I like my slime all white. Cause I never made no. I promise you guys, I have never made no like actually white slime. Like just like fluffy white. But this one's kind of like fluffy white, but it's like kind of green. You guys just like you guys think it looks like white fluffy,
but it's a little bit green.
It's like a hint of it's like minty green. Like,
that's what mine is.
His is minty green. Mine's like light minty green. Minty.
That's still some glue in here.
Dang, man, give me some of the glue.
No, man, no.
I ain't got that much.
Look how much I got. Barely anything.
Barely.
That's enough.
Barely. Mine looks like.
After this, we're gonna do another video about workout video. So y'all, we're just gonna do like a lot of stuff.
I'm gonna try to do a lot of video before I go to sleep, y'all. But I'm not about to go sleep right now. Oh yeah, comment down below
There it is.
how you guys, if you guys have already got hit by the storm or whatever, and like we just got hit by the storm like yesterday, and it just
today.
passed today. Like,
Oh my gosh, it was
like
crazy.
Like Orange City, the only one that got
Power
right
we
now.
was doing good at first in D-Land.
Yeah.
That's what I said.
And then just today at like 5 o'clock, my mama lost power because she lives in Lower Villas.
Alright, so I'm sure.
The game is right here. Our slimes, they're really freaking good. Really? Gotta get the game, guys. We gotta get away from all that noise. Did I already say that?
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry, guys. This is my first video. I had a YouTube channel last year, but I only did like 1 or 2 videos on that. One was a video. One video was with me of reacting to a music video, and that thing was sad because it was about that little girl getting bullied.
If I ever get bullied, it's going down.
It's going down. My mom said, if anybody touch you, bully you, she said, she's gonna handle you yourself. And then when it get like real, go tell a teacher. I didn't want to say
If they say they want to kill me,
oh
I'm
yeah,
gonna kill them first.
for real.
That's self-defense. That's a threat towards you. I know my rights. I want to be a lawyer when I grow up.
I want to be like something like to help people get like sick people or like a vet like help like dogs, cats or whatever. But I'm not like a really cat fan, but I'm like a dog fan or other pets fan.
Yeah, I'm good in the game now.
Yeah, he put in the game now. Okay, guys.
It went off real quick. Like,
Sorry, guys, it went off. So like we were putting the game on. He was putting his game in. Only had like not even a cat full.
It's gonna look like this when it's over. But then you're
gonna just play with it. And then your hair's gonna be a little dirty, so go in the bathroom and wash those jokers. Or whatever you have where a sink is. See, look, mine is like, he got like a little bit more than me.
What is it doing?
I don't know what they're doing. Those are already our cousins, our brothers out there. Well, my 2 brothers and his cousin, and my cousin out there. And his 2 cousins. Well, his 2 cousins.
I have 3 cousins out there, okay?
3 cousins, yeah.
Alright, it's coming together.
It's coming together, y'all. Mine's still filled.
Put too much shaving cream.
Not dead. Not dead.
When you put too much shaving cream, it gets like all like not coming together.
But his is coming together.
I didn't put a lot of shaving cream.
I didn't really put no lot of shaving cream in mine either.
So when you said I don't need no more shaving cream, you didn't put any more in there?
I did.
Exactly.
This is how mine is looking.
That's how this how my other one was. But now it's like hers not stretching or nothing.
But if you guys want to like stretch, put like some white lotion or some like colored lotion if y'all got want some color to you or smell. The game almost spilled, guys. Alright, your hands are gonna be really messy. Oh, mine is kind of like his now. It's like stretchy.
Oh, so okay, that's what we doing now?
Okay, that's what we do. Go put some like we have lotion right over there, guys.
I didn't put none in my last one, so
I'm prepared, y'all. I'm prepared. Tell you that. I'm prepared.
Really prepared.
I'm prepared. We're free.
Was prepared for that storm.
No, I was prepared for that storm. I think about it. 3 big coolers. 2 big coolers, 1 small one.
Y'all, just know that. Put that in the comments. Didn't she just say 3? Didn't she just say
I
3?
said 3.
You said she said 3, didn't she say 2?
I said 2 big ones. I made a mistake.
Okay.
I made a mistake.
Yeah.
Daddy, awake.
Okay.
Good. Smell good. Oh, we don't know we use the game. It really don't matter.
I'll do that.
He can go right back to sleep anyway, because that man is tired.
Yeah, I don't think
mine is just like the same other one.
Yeah, I'm about to mix mine together.
I'm about to mix mine together. So this is how much slime we got, y'all. I'm about to put some lotion on mine.
I'm about to put a little bit more. I'm just trying to clean up. I'm trying to clean up.
You trying to clean up? Yeah, they're trying to clean up for mom come upstairs. Y'all just heard that noise? That was the lotion.
Alright, now we're gonna get stretchy.
Mine's getting stretchy, y'all. Stretchy, yo. Stretchy. Stretchy.
Don't stretch it too hard, because then it's gonna be like, cover all the evidence. I got money for this. I got bricks for this. I like this.
I balls, y'all.
And just to let y'all know, if y'all hating on us, what?
Don't subscribe to my channel if y'all gonna hate and put all those hate comments out there, cause I don't care about the hate comments. Cause I'm just keep on doing videos. Nobody can stop me from doing YouTube. I'm happy to do YouTube. Cause like YouTube is like
one of the
my life.
in
my life. My YouTube is not my life, but YouTube is half my life.
And look, and people who say that do this, and y'all supposed to do the 3 fingers thing, who cares? I can do one finger if I want. If y'all have to come to my house and play with my son. Did y'all actually play with my son at school? No. No. I'm tired. My eyes are red. Like I didn't want to go to sleep last night because I was bored.
My eyes are not red. I was the last one to go to sleep during the. I was the last one to go to sleep.
This is good fun.
This is some freaking good fun, guys.
Yeah,
Good fun. And we're about to log off, guys, right now. After he's done cleaning his bowl.
So y'all be logging up. So y'all see y'all later. Lay y'all. Peace out.
So fat, orbit. Gotta wait, I don't move it.